And this is more of a high level point of view of how we got here, right? So there is a technology called transformers, and that got sort of invented in partnership with University of Toronto and Google, team of Google engineers. They created a paper, or at least the research paper called "Attention is All You Need." Right. So I'm going to refer to that paper many times throughout the course, but "Attention is All You Need" was the paper created by less than a dozen research scientists in partnership with University of Toronto, which gives us the transfer learning, which is what we call from a engineering point of view or science point of view, how one thing leads to the next. And as a result of that, there are many things got created in last 5 years. So transformer got the paper got written in 2017, and the very first model got created with the transformer papers was BERT in 2018. BERT is, and again, simply from a number point of view, let's not dive deeper into numbers, but BERT is a 320 million parameter. And then the entire GPT train started. So in 2018, GPT-1 got sort of released, launched, which was a, zero point 0.1 billion parameter or 100 million parameter. GPT-2, which is more powerful model, got into 1.5 billion. Then GPT-3 got a 175 billion parameter. What we know today, ChatGPT, is actually the base of that ChatGPT is coming from GPT-3, which got trained in 2020. And then they added few more layers on top of it, like Instruct GPT, and then added a component called RLHF, which is a reinforcement learning through human feedback. What it means is, as a user, you are interacting with that model, and you are either thumbs up or thumbs down, saying that, okay, this is good, this is bad. Whatever is good, you are feeding back into the model. So it's kind of you are reinforcing to the model, but via human feedback, right? Saying that, and quite often we believe that our judgment, human judgment, is very valid. Now it may be biased, but we think our brain operates better than some of the machines, and that is how the entire RLHF component got involved, got designed, got researched, and many of the newer generation models have RLHF or reinforcement learning through human feedback is baked in. So many of the GPT-4, what you see today is literally a hyperscale version of GPT 3.5, not only in terms of the number of parameters, we'll get to the parameters in few slides, but also in terms of the number of amount of data it goes in. It also goes in terms of how the human feedback is incorporated as the model was developed. Same is happening in Llama 2, what you see on your screen at the end, top right, or sorry, bottom right. Llama 2 coming from Meta, which has similar reinforcement learning through human feedback baked in as well, right? But the point of this slide is just to highlight the growth, what has been happening in last 5 to 6 years. And again, I can zoom in into 2022 and 2023, and then probably we will have, if not dozens, maybe hundreds of different models and different architectures to talk about. But just wanted to keep it to this very high level. So if you see something missing here, it's not missing. Probably I ran out of slide space. Okay.